Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Citroen C3. It's on a 65 plate, as you can see. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside its boot space first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see, given the nature of the vehicle, we have plenty of boot space, which can be increased by folding down either or both of those rear seats as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in, and as I mentioned, we'll run through some of the controls from there. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, you can see, particularly for the vehicle's age, it is in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. Over on that left-hand side, we have the rev counter, we have the speedometer in the middle, and on the right-hand side, the fuel gauge. You can see the total miles of the car there, 46,365. If we move over to the central screen area next, you can see that we have the time and date being displayed there. If we turn the stereo on, you will then have the ability to adjust your volume, which will show up on that screen, and you will be able to see what you're actually listening to, all of course controlled by the main stereo, which is just here, where you can switch between the different ways you can listen to music. So auxiliary input, of course, CD player if there was a CD in there, and then the AM and FM radio. You can also make adjustments to your bass, balance, you can see on there, and things like your musical ambience. All settings to say are available on that main head unit. In between those two things, we have got your fans. So firstly, you can direct the direction of the air from this dial just here. The fan speed, of course, the temperature. When you're happy with those settings, this button here will turn your air conditioning on, and it's on, of course, when that light shows. Same button will turn that back off again as well. You can bring in fresh air from outside the car or recirculate the air that's in it. That is a great way of heating the car up quickly or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you have set. Below that, we've got, as I say, your CD player, the main volume for the stereo, all the buttons I was just using a minute ago to access all the features I showed you on that main screen. Some storage down the bottom just here, and then the gear lever for the 5-speed manual gearbox. One other fantastic extra this car has got is this retractable front screen area. So it gives you a massive windscreen, almost back to a point where a sunroof would come back to. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.